Hello everyone, in this meeting I will tell you how to make the setting if we forget during the when we are supposed to create the meeting. So click on the hide for this show participant button. You can see in the first line participant the three dots appeared. Click on the three dots and here you are having the two things. Number one, manage permission. Number second, download attendance list. So those who are in the meeting, we click on this one. On the real time basis we can download the attendance, and when we click on manage permission, if I forget to make a setting only for me, so I have to click on this one. It will automatically open in a browser, and from the browser you can make the setting only me and save it. So you will be only the organizer of the meeting. Close this one, so you can see you are only the organizer. So this is about the first button on the show participants. Click on the second one. Here you can type any of the messages or any link you want to share with the participants. Come to the third option. This is for your to give a good clap, for asking something, to raise the hand. So these are the icons to be shown here. This is about the laugh. This is the breakout room. So in order to use it, breakout room, we are supposed to have a number of participants. Then accordingly we choose the room. For example, I click on 5 room, automatically or manually I want to add. So in this way I select for a class. Suppose I have a 25 students, I want to make a group of 5. In a one group 5 students will be there, so create room. So automatically you can see the 5 rooms will be created, and manually I have to add the participants. So here the room has to be created. So I add the students and accordingly I allow them to use it. So this is about the rooms creation. Click on these horizontal 3 dot buttons, more option. This is for the full screen, for the screen recording. If I want to record live class, what are the things going on, I want to see it later on stage, so I click on this button, start recording. Automatically the recording is to be started, and when the lecture is completed, so I have to click on the now recording has been started. When I want to stop this one, so I click on this one and click on this one. Now lecture has been recorded. You can go to the conversation box and you can see the meeting has been recorded. These are some of the functions effectively we can use. And if I want to download, so I also click on these 3 dot buttons, open in a OneDrive, and it will open in a separate window, and the meeting has to be downloaded. So this is one of the good option. So full screen together mode and large gallery mode will be open only when there are so many people are to be there. So this is about the device setting. I want to meeting options. Already we can see who can present. Already we have discussed this one. This is about the meeting informations. Turn off incoming video. So this is important option. This is the screen sharing. I want to share my screen, so I click on this upside button, and which type of, either I want to use my screen, I want to show some PPT, I want to show something from my system, so I have to click on this button, and what I want to show to the my students accordingly. If it is a window work, if it is another work, browse my computer, so accordingly I have to use. For example, I want to open the Microsoft Office home page, so I click on this one. Accordingly it will take me to that page, and this red color boundary on the all the 4 sides you can see. Now my browser is open, and from here I can, whatever I can show to the participants on the other end, it is visible to them. So in this way the screen sharing and screen recording to be done. Now if I want to stop it, so again I click on the cross button, it will be automatically stopped. Now if I am the organizer, I have to close the meeting, so I click on the end meeting, it will be end for all the participants. And if I want to exit myself from the team, so I click on the leave button. So because I am the organizer, so I click on this end meeting, it automatically so you will end the meeting for everyone. So yes, and the meeting will be closed. So this is something, the use of the Microsoft Teams. Thank you. Now I click on this one, now leaving, everyone is leave from the meeting. Thank you.